Hey guys, it's Anuj Jha from Tarapur School, your online study mate. Hope you all are getting along with the online classes. So today, I am going to show how you can save yourself from missing a Google Meet class due to network issues. For this process you need to have a friend or your teacher to be present in the class. This process is similar to the process of sending notes to a friend who missed a class. Before starting, let me make my voice a bit clear and bold.
It is obvious that we can easily attain the class notes, but from today, you will also be able to share the audio part of the lecture too. I do not prefer screen recording as it results in the big file, making the sharing part difficult, and it is not a good thing to record someone without his or her knowledge. Instead, I prefer using the audio lecture and matching it with the available notes. Open your phone in Play Store, search for voice recorder, download the one I am showing, not the other one. This one, by Splend Apps. As you can see, I have already downloaded it, so without wasting any time, let's proceed further. Now, before pressing the record button, it is a must to put the headphones. Now I will show you some audio recording which I tried on YouTube. I recorded this while playing a music video on YouTube, but without headphones, which sounded very bad. It even stopped many times while playing. Now I will show what happened when I plugged headphones before pressing the record button. So you can see it worked like a magic. Now let's see how to do it in PC, which is very easy. Open Google Chrome in your system and type Chrome Web Store on the search bar. In the Chrome Web Store, search for Chrome Audio Capture and click Add to Chrome button. Add this one which I am showing. As soon as you add it, a small icon appears on right top corner. By clicking it you can start recording. The recording automatically stops after 20 minutes, so you can restart it after saving the first record and then record further. Now I will demonstrate it in YouTube and then I will show you some recording from my Google Meet class. For now, consider this music video as your class meeting. While in the meeting, start the recording as directed. Now save your recording as directed. Now I will show you how does it sound. So, you can see there is no sound recorded when the video was paused. At this point I paused the video on YouTube so there is no sound.
or deleting the data in contiguous migration, whatever it is, but it is actually a linear structure. It can be your stack or queue can be.
So as you saw, it helps during the class too, so I will stop here, thanks for watching.